Well, Lloyd, I think I have some good news for you. Um, Change the batteries in your thermometer. I found the right size screwdriver, so I was able to take out the screw without too much difficulty. But to change the batteries in this thing, uh, it's really a little simpler. You simply have to take the back just snaps off the stand, and then the batteries are right there. So you don't need to take it apart. And I took this screw. I switched these two screws so the good screws are in the top, and this one still has the buggered screw. But I don't think you're going to need to take the screws out and take it apart. Be my guess. So that's how it works. Fixed.